Dear friends, today let us discuss about 24 stocks including CRISIL, ICICI Bank, Maruti Suzuki, etc. Those have announced split or bonus or dividend. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Persistent Systems. Current price is rupees 3510 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per each share. Ex-dividend date and record date is not at all finalized. Balaxy Pharmaceuticals. Current price is rupees 572 per share. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 10 shares of Balaxy Pharmaceuticals, your 10 shares convert to 50 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized by the company. If the company finalizes the ex-date and record date, definitely we will inform you through this channel as early as possible. ICICI Securities Limited. Share is trading around rupees 724 per share. Company announced dividend of rupees 17 for each and every share. Both the ex-date and record date is 26th April 2024. To get the dividend of ICICI Securities, you have to purchase the shares of ICICI Securities before 26th April 2024. RBL Bank. Current market price is rupees 258 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 27th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing audited result. CRISIL Limited. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7 per each share. Current market price is rupees 4,285. Ex-date and record date is 3rd May 2024. LTI Mindtree Limited. Current price is rupees 4,690. Company announced a board meeting on 24th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Tata Investment Corporation Limited. Market price is rupees 6,810. This company also announced a board meeting on the same day, that is 24th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing audited result. Sensar Technologies Limited. Current price is rupees 573 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 25th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is Q4 and dividend. Laurus Labs Limited. Current price is rupees 432. Company will announce the dividend on the board meeting which is to be held on 25th April 2024. Besides, they will declare the audited annual report. Nestle India Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2,460. This company also will announce the dividend and audited result on 25th April 2024. Exide Industries. Current price is rupees 470. Company announced a board meeting on 30th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is announcing audited result and declaring dividend. Ambuja Cements. Current price is rupees 618. Company announced a board meeting on 1st May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Maruti Suzuki also will announce their Q4 and dividend on 26th April 2024. Current price of Maruti is 12,798. Shriram Finance Limited will announce dividend on 26th April 2024, while the market price of Shriram Finance is rupees 2,426. L&T Finance Limited. Share is trading around rupees 165 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 27th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing audited result. ICICI Bank. Current price is rupees 1087. Company announced a board meeting on 27th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is Q4 and dividend. Gujarat Hotels Limited. Share is trading around rupees 210. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per each share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is not at all finalized by the company. Titan Intech Limited. Share is trading around rupees 97. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 3:5. That means if you have 5 shares of Titan Intech, you will get 3 more shares as bonus. So you will have 8 shares. The company not at all finalized the ex-bonus date and record date. Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Current price is rupees 2,344. This company also announced a board meeting on 26th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring Q4 and issuing bonus shares. KSB Pumps. KSB Pumps will announce the stock split on 26th April 2024. Current market price is rupees 4,650. On 26th April 2024, they will announce their Q4 also. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.